Hello, Sarah. How are you?
Hi, Ben. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm great. Thanks. So, what's your favorite food?
Oh, I love pizza. It's so delicious.
Pizza is great. What toppings do you like on your pizza?
I like cheese, pepperoni, and mushrooms. What about you, Ben?
I like pizza too, but my favorite food is spaghetti.
Spaghetti is yummy. Do you like it with tomato sauce?
Yes, I love it with tomato sauce and lots of cheese on top.
That sounds delicious. I also like spaghetti with tomato sauce.
Have you ever tried spaghetti with meatballs?
No, I haven't, but it sounds tasty.
It's really good. We should go to an Italian restaurant sometime.
That sounds like a plan, Ben. I would love to.
Great. What other foods do you like?
I also enjoy burgers and fries. They're so satisfying.
Burgers are awesome. I like mine with lettuce, tomato, and ketchup.
That sounds delicious. I like mine with cheese and pickles.
We have similar tastes in food, Sarah.
Yes, it seems like it. What's your favorite dessert?
I love ice cream, especially chocolate and vanilla.
Ice cream is the best. I like it too, especially with sprinkles.
We should definitely go out for ice cream sometime.
I would love that, Ben. Ice cream is always a good idea.
Definitely. I'm getting hungry just talking about all this food.
Me too. Let's make plans to go out soon.
Sounds good, Sarah. I can't wait to try some new foods with you.
Me neither, Ben. It's going to be so much fun.